Welcome to AutoZone, your ultimate destination for the latest motorcycle reviews, performance insights, and gearhead updates. If you're a fan of speed, power, and precision, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for all future uploads. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic sport bikes in motorcycle history, the 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa. The beast has returned, refined, and more ferocious than ever. The legend continues. Since its debut in 1999, the Suzuki Hayabusa has carved a legacy of power and prestige. Named after the peregrine falcon, the fastest bird on Earth, this motorcycle quickly became a symbol of speed and supremacy. In 2025, Suzuki takes the next evolutionary leap forward, preserving the Hayabusa's DNA while injecting it with advanced technology, superior handling, and a fresh, modern aesthetic. Updated engine power meets precision. Under the hood, the 2025 Hayabusa retains its legendary 1,340 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, but it now features revised internal components, improved fuel mapping, and a newly designed intake system. While the horsepower remains around 190 HP, the power delivery is smoother, more responsive, and thrillingly refined. Torque has been optimized across the mid-range, giving riders that gut-punch acceleration the Hayabusa is famous for, all while complying with stricter global emission standards. Advanced Electronics Suite. This year, the Hayabusa pushes the boundaries with its Suzuki Intelligent Ride System, SIRS. Riders can now customize their experience with 3 preset riding modes and 3 user-defined modes. The suite also includes lean angle-sensitive ABS, traction control, 10 levels, wheelie control, engine brake control, cruise control, launch control system. Suzuki's new bidirectional quick shifter ensures crisp gear changes both up and down, eliminating the need to clutch during aggressive riding. This transforms the Hayabusa into a far more adaptable and intelligent machine, suitable for the track and the street alike. Aerodynamic design and styling. Suzuki hasn't just focused on performance. The 2025 Hayabusa sports an all-new aerodynamic profile, honed in the wind tunnel for maximum efficiency. With smoother bodywork, a sharper tail section, and integrated LED lighting, the new Busa looks as fast standing still as it does at full throttle. New color options, premium finishes, and high-gloss paintwork also elevate the bike's road presence to supercar levels. Its signature dual exhausts have been redesigned for a cleaner, more aggressive appearance, while the chassis geometry provides improved agility without compromising stability at high speeds. Suspension, brakes, and handling. Equipped with KYB fully adjustable suspension, the Hayabusa delivers excellent feedback and comfort for both spirited riding and long-distance cruising. The Brembo Stylema front calipers paired with dual 320mm rotors offer superior stopping power, while a lightweight chassis and balanced weight